2025 has felt like a year where every dollar counts. And for anyone who carries daily, picking the right handgun becomes less about hype and more about choosing something trustworthy that fits both your hand and your budget. After months of range time, late night, cleaning sessions, carrying different pistols in every kind of weather, and putting hundreds of rounds downrange, I realized something important. A good carry gun isn't defined by its price tag. It's defined by how confidently you can rely on it when situations get messy. This video takes you through 7 concealed carry pistols that, in my experience, deliver performance far beyond what they cost. I'm not interested in whatever trend is blowing up this week. I care about how these handguns behave under pressure, how they shoot, how they feel, what they offer for the money, and whether they earn a spot in your holster. Think of this as a conversation between shooters rather than a sales pitch, because what matters is how these guns actually run when you're the one holding them. Ruger RXM takes the number 7 position because it turned out to be one of those rare pistols that quietly over-delivers, starting with what looks like a standard polymer compact, and then revealing a depth of engineering you only appreciate once you put real rounds through it. At the core of the RXM is its removable serialized stainless steel fire control insert seated inside the Magpul Enhanced Handgun Grip Module, a setup that boosts durability and opens the door for future frame swaps without replacing the whole gun. The ergonomics feel purpose-built with a generous beaver tail, a well-cut trigger guard undercut, and a grip texture that genuinely locks into the hand, giving the gun a planted feel during rapid strings. The flat-face trigger breaks around 5 pounds and feels cleaner than most striker-fired 9mm options in its class, and the dimensions strike a sweet spot for carry. A 4-inch barrel, an overall length just under 7 inches, a slide width close to 1 inch, and an unloaded weight slightly above 23 ounces. Capacity is set at 15+1. The slide is optics ready, and the factory sights use a taller tritium front post for easy co-witnessing with popular micro red dots. On the range, the RXM tracks smoothly with a mild and predictable recoil impulse. And after pushing past 500 rounds, I didn't experience a single stoppage, which says a lot for a newer design. Machining inside the slide and barrel hood looks clean, the controls feel consistent, and the pistol carried comfortably all day without any hot spots or sharp edges. With current street prices sitting in the low to mid $400 bracket, depending on configuration, the Ruger RXM ends up delivering a blend of modern modularity, practical refinement, and reliable performance that feels like it should cost noticeably more than it does, making it one of the strongest sleeper picks in the compact pistol space. Smith & Wesson Performance Center Bodyguard 2.0 Carry Comp earns the number 6 position because it behaves nothing like the tiny backup pistol its footprint suggests, instead shooting with a level of stability and control that feels almost out of place in the micro-carry world. Chambered in 380 ACP, it uses a ported 3.1-inch stainless steel barrel working with integrated carry comp slide cuts to vent gas upward and counter muzzle rise, keeping the pistol noticeably flatter during rapid strings and making follow-up shots feel far more natural than most ultralight options. The polymer frame remains slim but offers a surprisingly assertive texture, and the flat-face trigger provides a cleaner, more predictable break than many pistols in this size bracket. Its dimensions stay firmly in the deep concealment category with a slide just over 1 inch wide, a height around 4.5 inches depending on a magazine choice, and an unloaded weight in the 11 to 12 ounce range. Capacity is a standout feature, with the flush magazine holding 10+1, while the extended version bumps that to 12+1 and gives you enough grip surface for full 3-finger control, greatly improving precision and recoil management. On the range, the gun ran more than 500 rounds without a malfunction, consistently printing 4-inch groups at 10 meters once the comps settled the muzzle and the ergonomics locked in. Like any micro pistol, it heats up quickly under heavy strings, and 380 ACP still costs more while offering less punch than 9mm, but those drawbacks feel acceptable when balanced against its concealability and performance. With real-world pricing commonly falling in the $500 to $550 range, depending on availability, The Bodyguard 2.0 carry comp stands out as one of the most capable and genuinely confidence-inspiring micro-defensive pistols on the market. CZP-07 Gen 2 takes the number 5 slot because it proves that a well-executed double-action single-action system still has real value in concealed carry, offering a level of control and confidence that many striker pistols simply don't replicate. The gun uses CZ's Omega system, giving shooters the option to run either a decocker or a manual safety, and the low riding slide, built to travel inside the frame rails, helps keep recoil flat while enhancing mechanical accuracy. Overall size sits right in the compact carry zone with a 3.75-inch cold hammer forged barrel, an overall length just under 8 inches, a height around 5 inches depending on the magazine, and a weight of roughly 27 ounces unloaded, which makes the pistol feel sturdy without drifting into full-size bulk. The polymer frame includes interchangeable backstraps that genuinely change how the gun locks into the hand, and the ergonomics remain one of the strongest aspects of the P07's design. The first double-action pull is intentionally heavy, offering an added layer of safety and deliberation for appendix carry. But once the gun shifts in a single action, you get a crisp break, a clean wall, and a short reset that makes controlled follow-ups feel natural. Accuracy holds steady from close-range drills out to 25 yards, and the recoil impulse stays smooth because of the internal slide rails. There are drawbacks, as the narrow slide can be tougher for some shooters to rack, and certain grip styles may ride the slide stop and prevent reliable lockback. But in long training sessions, the P07 proved consistent, durable, and confidence-inspiring even after extended firing in dusty or wet conditions. Current pricing usually falls in the mid-$400 to low $500 range for new pistols, with used examples dipping slightly lower, making the CZ P07 Gen 2 an appealing option for anyone who wants the intentional control of a traditional DA/SA platform without sacrificing modern reliability or practical carry performance. SIG P365 X Macro lands at number 4 because it feels almost unreal how much performance and capacity SIG managed to squeeze into a footprint that still qualifies as a true concealed carry pistol. Right out of the gate, you get a 17+1 capacity paired with a 3.7-inch barrel, an overall length of about 6.5 inches, a slide width around 1.1 inches, and an unloaded weight just under 18 ounces, numbers that would normally point to a mid-size gun, yet the X Macro hides like a subcompact. What really changes the shooting experience is the integrated compensator machine directly into the front of the slide, venting gas upward to keep the muzzle flat, and allowing rapid follow-up shots that feel shockingly stable even compared to larger, heavier 9mm pistols. The modular fire control unit remains one of SIG's strongest features because it lets you swap grip modules, move into metal frames, or tailor the ergonomics instantly without buying a whole new gun. And the optics-ready slide ensures you can mount your preferred micro red dot without extra milling. On the range, the X Macro genuinely outperformed my Glock 19 in recoil control despite being lighter, and the 17-round magazines meant fewer reloads, more consistent training flow, and a feeling that you're running a duty-sized gun that somehow shrank. The trigger offers a smooth, predictable press with a short reset, and the grip texture strikes a good balance between secure control and daily comfort. While the X Macro is not a budget option, with most models currently falling in the $700 to $800 bracket, depending on configuration and availability, the features it includes would cost many shooters far more to add aftermarket on competing platforms. It manages to deliver capacity, modularity, accuracy, and concealability in a single package, a combination that remains rare and explains why the P365 X Macro continues to dominate the compact performance market. Canik Meet MC9 Prime claims the number 3 spot because it delivers the kind of performance and feature set you normally expect for pistols that cost far more, making it feel like it showed up to a premium gun party with a budget gun price tag and still stole the spotlight. Built on the Meet MC9 platform, the Prime variant uses a compact 9mm frame with an overall length of roughly 6 inches, a barrel just over 3 inches, and a weight around 21 ounces unloaded, keeping it firmly in the concealment-friendly category while still offering 12+1 or 15+1 capacity, depending on the magazine. What sets the prime configuration apart is the compensated and ported slide that vents gas upward to keep the muzzle flat, paired with aggressive stippling, a flared magwell, extended controls, and a flat-face trigger that breaks in the 4 to 5 pound range with a clean, predictable feel. On the range, this combination translates into a pistol that shoots flatter and tracks faster than most competitors at its price. And during my drills, 5 rapid shots felt almost effortless as the gun returned to target like a much more refined competition build. Canik supports the MC9 Prime with full kit packages that often include multiple magazines, a fitted case, backstraps, tools, a holster, and in some bundles, even a red dot, giving buyers a complete setup right out of the box. Across 700 rounds, I encountered only a single stoppage caused by a bad cartridge, and aside from the aggressive texture, which would be a bit harsh for all-day inside the waistband carry, the pistol performed without complaint. Current pricing typically places the standard Meat MC9 in the mid-$400 range, while the Prime compensated editions run closer to $600 to $800, depending on configuration and whether an optic is included. For shooters wanting speed, control, and legitimate performance without jumping into full race gun territory, the Canik Meat MC9 Prime stands out as one of the best values on the market. CZP-10 series earns the number 2 position because it has quietly grown into one of the most versatile and well-balanced concealed carry families on the market, giving shooters multiple size options without forcing them into a completely different manual of arms. The smallest variant, the P10S, runs a 3.5-inch barrel with a 10+1 or 12+1 capacity, depending on the magazine, and its slim, compact profile disappears under light clothing while still offering a full, confident grip thanks to interchangeable backstraps and thoughtfully shaped texture. A dual recoil, spring assembly, and cold hammer forged barrel work together to keep muzzle movement controlled, helping the pistol shoot flatter than many other subcompacts. The mid-size P10C steps things up with a 4-inch barrel, 15+1 capacity, and a weight that still stays comfortable for daily carry, while the newer P10C ported variant adds an integrated compensator and a slightly heavier barrel that vents gas upward and settles the sights almost instantly after each shot. Across the entire lineup, you get a flat-face trigger with a clean break, a durable polymer frame, forward serrations, accessory rails, and optics-ready slide cuts on the appropriate versions, making each model feel modern and ready for customization. In real-world testing, the P10S proved extremely easy to conceal during a warm weather vacation, staying stable even when sweaty and never printing under a thin shirt, while the ported P10C stood out on the range for how fast its sight picture returned between shots and how naturally the tall irons co-witnessed with a mounted red dot. Street pricing typically falls between $400 and $500 depending on model and configuration, and aftermarket support, holsters, triggers, sights, and grip panels, has grown into one of the strongest in this category. For shooters wanting a consistent trigger feel across multiple sizes, duty-grade control, and a compact footprint, and a price that stays well below many competitors, the CZP-10 lineup remains one of the smartest and most adaptable choices available. Shield Plus Performance Center takes the number 1 spot because it delivers the most complete blend of shootability, concealability, and everyday practicality I've found in a carry pistol, making it the gun I trust most on a daily basis. It builds on the proven Shield Plus foundation, but elevates everything with a tuned flat-face trigger that breaks cleanly, resets quickly, and feels dramatically better than earlier Shield generations, giving you tighter control during rapid strings. The ported barrel and matching slide cuts vent gas upward to reduce muzzle rise and help the gun settle faster, making follow-up shots noticeably quicker without adding discomfort. With a 3.1-inch barrel, an overall length of just over 6 inches, a height around 4.5 inches, and an unloaded weight in the 19-ounce range, the pistol stays slim and truly disappears under light clothing. Capacity reaches 13+1 in 9mm with the extended magazine, while the flush option remains ideal for deep concealment. The bright fiber optic sights snap into view easily, and the improved grip texture and armor night finish are designed for real world where sweat, heat, long drives, long walks, and all the daily friction typical carry guns endure. Across repeated side-by-side comparisons with the standard Shield Plus, the Performance Center model consistently demonstrated reduced recoil, faster sight recovery, and a cleaner trigger that felt like a meaningful upgrade rather than a cosmetic tweak. On the range, it maintained accuracy and reliability through extended sessions, and on the body, it stayed comfortable enough that I often forgot I was carrying it. Current real-world prices usually fall in the $600 to $700 window, depending on configuration and whether extras like carry bundles or lasers are included, but attempting to upgrade a base model to match these features would often cost more. After significant use, it remains steady, predictable, and confidence-inspiring. The core qualities a #1 carry gun should deliver. After revisiting these 7 pistols, it becomes clear that the best concealed carry gun is not the one with the highest price or most marketing behind it, but the one that fits you, performs reliably, and encourages you to train. The Ruger RXM delivers surprising modern features and value. The Bodyguard 2.0 carry comp excels where extreme concealment matters. The P07 offers traditional double-action control. The P365X Macro pushes capacity and technology to new levels. The Meat MC9 Prime brings competition-style speed and a complete kit. The P10 series adapts to almost any role, and the Shield Plus Performance Center remains my personal choice for daily use. If you carry regularly, choose what feels right in your hand, what you shoot well, and what you trust. Let me know what you're carrying and which pistol you want me to review next. If you enjoyed the video, remember to like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you in the next one as we continue exploring handguns in a practical and enjoyable way.